Meet the Education Kit with AI Assistant on the Clouve Marketplace, a school information system and a learning platform running together. Sign in and open the marketplace. Bundles. Filtered to the ones that include an AI assistant. Here it is, 1 monthly fee and a 90-day free trial. Both applications sized and priced up front. Gibbon runs the school office, student records, timetables, attendance. Moodle runs the teaching, courses, assessments, and grades. Click the bundle, and Clouve sets both applications up together. Pick a capacity. The defaults suit a trial. 2 web addresses come included, 1 for each app. Choose your cloud. Name your school and set up the admin accounts. Then install the 90-day trial, no payment details needed. Both applications, both databases, and the AI assistant are built for you. A few minutes of automated build on Google Cloud. And both applications are running. The AI assistant is right there with them. Gibbon's address and its credentials. Moodle's beside them, everything in one place. Open Gibbon straight from the dashboard. Sign in with the credentials you copied, never shown on screen. This is the school office, people, timetables, attendance, reporting. Every student, family, and staff record lives in one place. Today, the school has exactly one user, the administrator. The second application opens exactly the same way. Its own address, its own credentials. A real Moodle 5.2, courses, assessments, grading, and analytics. Now the AI assistant, the tab signs you straight in. And it opens out to fill the window. Choose your assistant, decide how much it may do on its own. And connect your own provider key, your data, your AI spend. And there it is, a DevOps engineer for your school in the browser. Ask in plain English, add a new student and make sure she can sign in. It reads what it knows about Gibbon and Moodle, then plans the work. You approve each step. It creates the record, runs the sync between the two systems, and checks its own work. Back in Gibbon. Maya Patel is on the roll. And the very same identity signs into Moodle. One student added once. Start your free trial today at clouve.com.